chitter chatter. Time for some chit chat. आई होप आप लोग का डिनर हो गया है. नहीं हुआ है तो हमारी चिट चैट के साथ एंजॉय कर लीजिए. Well, thank you for the love and support that you all give when I put out the story and the creative of what the chit chat is all about. So I hope you all are all ready for the chit chat tonight with actor, singer, performer Adyan Suman and hello Manu Jagwani. Hello Abha Patel. Hello Kumar Dinesh. KK Kapardi. Hello Vitasta K. Hi, how are you? Hi Adyan Suman. He's right here. So let's send him a request and let's start our chitter chatter. Yes, I've sent you a request and we're waiting for you to connect. The Swani Mahur. Hello. Khasya 163. Hello Advocate Sumit Sharma. Hello to you. Hello Rao Sharma. Hello Anisha Madok. How are you doing? Atharva 026, hello. And we are connecting.
Hi Shweta. How are you doing?
Posing. I am not too sure. Hello. Guys, can you all see us?
I think there's a huge issue with that. There's a huge problem with the network, I think.
With the internet. Uh-oh. Hello people. Now that y'all are here, can y'all just say, can y'all see me? Can y'all see him? What is the status like? Because we are live, but he's frozen from my side. So if y'all can comment and let us know what is it. Abir Chaudhary, you're looking nice. Thank you so much. Just go on. Hi, and okay, we've lost him. So let me send a request again. And is he there? The Dyanamo, just want to see you. Who do you want to see? Mohad Danish says, nice, pretty you. Thank you. And I'm sending him a request again. There is some internet issue. पता नहीं यार इंटरनेट का भी क्या इशू है. कभी दिन में होता है, कभी रात में होता है. डिसाइड कर लो. हम फिर लाइव वैसे डिसाइड कर लेंगे कितने बजे करना है. Anyways, I'm sending a request to him and I hope this time the internet supports us. So waiting for him to connect. And I hope you all are ready with your questions and chitter chatter. Remember, it's a fun chit chat, so let's have just some nice fun questions. Hey Shikha Darwal. Hi, thanks for joining live. This live chat is thanks to you. And it's so nice to see you live here, supporting us during a live. And I'm waiting for him to connect because there's some internet issue. NSGJJUG. Okay, that was like an alphabet A to Z. Vaida 507. Hello, I love you, friend. How are you? Fine. Happy friend name. I'm very good. How are you? Okay, I'm still waiting for him to connect. Please connect हो जाओ, connect हो जाओ. मेरा नेट पे भी हूँ. किस और क्या करूँ? Sisodia.man. So sweet. Thank you. Okay, right now he's not able to join us. Can't be doing this to me today. We are really looking forward for this live, and we were looking forward so much that we preponed it from 10 o'clock to 9:20. Come on, keep up to our expectations. Internet, Wi-Fi, udhar se ya idhar se, or connect ho ja. Sending a request again. Let's see this time kya. Hello.
Hi Shweta. I'm now hoping that you
Hi,
can see me.
I can see you. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you now. Instagram today.
Okay, so I think finally the internet has decided to support our chitter chatter.
Yes, it has. How are you doing?
I'm good. How have you been? How's lockdown been for you?
Lockdown's been good, yeah. Lockdown's been good. I've been on survival mode as everybody else, trying to survive. And now that things are opening up, just being out there and trying to get back to work slowly and steadily. A little scared and worried, but I guess we all have to work.
So during lockdown right now, your show Dharamshala is being really appreciated and it's going really great. So how did Dharamshala happen? And it's the first release of yours during lockdown. So tell us about it.
You mean my show Ashram? Dharamshala is not my show.
Ashram, sorry, Ashram. I'm so sorry. I take back my words. So right now, because somebody messaged and I was like, maybe I thought the wrong one. So really sorry for that. So take two. Okay, take two. During lockdown, Ashram is doing really well, and you are a part of it, and you've been putting stories about it. So how was
Yes.
it being a part of Ashram and the show doing so well, and your release during the lockdown?
Ashram is, of course, it's every actor's dream working with Prakash Jha, and to be honest, no one had an inkling that Ashram जो है इतना बड़ा successful show होने वाला है. It's become one of the most successful shows on the OTT platform, and it's crossing about 350 million streams. And the amount of love, I think, forget even about the stream, the amount of love that the show has got. It's sort of overwhelming because, as I said, that no one was, no one had this thought that the show would go so well and reach out to everyone. Now the fact that everyone's looking forward to watching for part two and season two, and we're extremely excited to obviously bring part two in Diwali. I think which has just been announced today, and I'm happy. I mean, see, it's been obviously people have been sad, people have been upset during lockdown, but I guess something like this has come as a boon for me, especially in lockdown, and people have been so um, receptive to my work, and the fact that I always say in my interviews that कि मेरी एक जो है स्ट्रगल रही है पिछले 10-12 सालों की, और हर एक्टर चाहता है कि ऑडियंसेस जो है उसे प्यार करे, उसके काम को सराहे, और मुझे लगता है कि मेरे काम के साथ, आश्रम के साथ, आई फील दैट मेरी जर्नी जो है अब फाइनली शुरू हो गई है. एंड मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ, थैंकफुल टू प्रकाश झा का एंड दिशा झा हु इज हिज डॉटर हु आल्सो recommended me for the role, and I had to look test for it, but I still got the role. So I'm very, very glad and blessed. What else can I say? I'm very absolutely happy.
So, you've been saying that every actor wants to be loved, and you've been really loved a lot on OTT, be it for your songs, or be it for Damage, or be it for Ashram. Like, even Damage has been reaching like 43.3 million, and the counting is still going on. So, you're a star on OTT. How does it feel? OTT pe itna sara pyar, so many millions and millions of views, and the counting going on.
No, I think I definitely don't consider myself a star. I think that ये तो मेरी सिर्फ एक शुरुआत है. I think बहुत जिंदगी में बहुत आगे जाना है, बहुत कुछ अचीव करना है, बहुत अच्छे shows करने हैं. OTT again is a boon for actors like me who of course have come from films. मेरा सपना हमेशा फिल्में रहेंगी, लेकिन जब मौके नहीं मिले तो आई थिंक जब OTT प्लेटफॉर्म आया तो बहुत से एक्टर्स थे, बहुत से यंग एक्टर्स थे, अच्छे एक्टर्स थे जिन्हें मौके नहीं मिल रहे थे फिल्मों में, जिसे सहारा दिया OTT ने. सो आई एम एब्सोल्युटली ग्रेटफुल कि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म आया और हम जैसे एक्टर्स को मौका दिया, ताकि देन आल्सो द फैक्ट दैट OTT इज वेरी एक्सपेरिमेंटल विद द काइंड ऑफ स्टफ दैट दे वांट टू मेक. ऐसा कुछ प्रेशर नहीं है बॉक्स ऑफिस का कि भाई इसकी फिल्म जो है लास्ट फिल्म नहीं चली थी तो वी कांट मेक अ फिल्म विद हिम. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है OTT पर. अगर आप अच्छे एक्टर हैं और लोग आपको पसंद करते हैं तो आपको काम हमेशा मिलता रहेगा. सो आई एम वेरी ग्लैड. एंड सोनियो, मेरे गाने, मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल जो है became one of the fastest YouTube channels to get the silver play button in just one song. और मैंने YouTube चैनल तब खोला जब मेरे पास काम नहीं था, क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं एक्टिंग में मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा है तो might as well take my singing forward. So I started singing, and I never knew that Sonio would cross 25 million. I never knew Ainatu would cross 6 million. I never knew that I would be able to hit these kind of numbers, and I will be able to get so much love. तो मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ ऑब्वियसली सबका यार कि लोगों ने जो है खुले दिल से प्यार दिया है.
How was it working with Rajat Dev? He was a part of one of your singles, and how was it
Rajat Dev,
working with him?
Rajat Dev, we call him Raji प्यार से, and
Yeah, even I call him Raji.
yeah, I call him Razi, and he's a great guy. I mean, I love working with him, and I think he's one of the finest dancers that we have in the country. I'm not just saying it, but जब मैं उसको नाचते हुए देखता हूँ तो मैं बोलता हूँ यार काश मैं भी ऐसा नाच पाता रजत, जो तुम्हारे अंदर एक इनबॉर्न टैलेंट है. But he's a great guy और बहुत supportive था रजत, because it was my first music video I'd done with Saranu Chadia with C series, and he was very, very kind and very gracious when it came to working with me, and we have a group. So I keep meeting him while he's playing PS3 or chilling or whatever. I keep coming across him. So he's a great guy, and I'm looking forward. अभी तो बहुत गाने कर रहे हैं मुझे उसके साथ.
So आपने गाना शुरू किया because you thought चलो nothing is working, let me pursue my singing career. But had you always thought that you wanted to sing at some point in your life? Like, was it a dream?
I always thought that I will definitely sing someday in my life. सपना तो definitely था ही because during my journey मेरी जिंदगी में when I was going through my lowest phase, I realized that when I started playing the guitar or when I started singing, music became like therapeutic for me. You know, it was like meditation for me. जब वक्त में जब आप घर बैठे रहते हैं, महीनों से घर बैठे काम नहीं है, I used to just pick up the guitar and just start playing any song or start singing or just start strumming, and that gave me a lot of mental peace. And I'm very grateful, very glad that music came into my life.
So, what is guitar for you?
What is guitar? Guitar is like as filmy as it sounds. It's like my temple. It's something that I worship almost every day when I wake up or when I'm like sitting in the evening and chilling. Something that I worship. You know, as I said, I'm very grateful कि म्यूजिक मेरी जिंदगी में है चाहे वो गाना हो या वो गिटार हो because you know with when I used to sing I used to emote and that helped me emote, you know, let out all my feelings that were being there inside, deep inside, rooted inside. तो म्यूजिक ने बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे उसमें.
So, आपने music channel AS is also to support the new talent and guide them and all of it. So, was it because you realized that in today's time how difficult it is for new talents to come? So, what was the reason to start a music channel AS to like even support new talent?
No, I think as I said कि मैंने आपसे कहा कि मैंने अपना YouTube चैनल इसलिए शुरू किया because मुझे एक्टिंग के ऑफर्स नहीं आ रहे थे जो मैं चाहता था. मुझे टेलीविजन का जो है हर एक शो ऑफर हुआ. But I didn't want to do aggressive stuff on TV. And I said, you know, I have to wait. और एक्टर की जिंदगी में वो वेट कब तक हो सकता है कोई नहीं जानता. It could be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 3 months, 3 days. You don't know. Or I decided to wait it out, and that is the reason why I actually YouTube happened by chance. A friend of mine, I asked a friend of mine, कि चलो कुछ एक cover करते हैं साथ में, and she refused. And because she
Okay.
refused, I decided to make the song myself. And that song became one of the most successful songs on my channel, and that is how my journey started. शायद उसके साथ मैं अगर गाना करता तो जो जिस तरीके की मैंने शुरुआत की वो मैं नहीं करता. So I'm very grateful that she said no to me, which I keep teasing her about all the time.
Like they always say, every negative has a positive outcome to it, and this is what exactly happened where your YouTube launch is concerned, like where you started a whole song and everything. एक ना ने
हाँ,
बहुत
absolutely.
बड़ा सक्सेस क्रिएट किया आपके लिए.
हाँ, हमें उस वक्त लगता है कि भाई कोई भी चीज नहीं हो रही है तो आपको लगता है कि यार ये गलत हो रहा है मेरे साथ, क्यों कुछ चीजें वर्कआउट नहीं हो रही है. लेकिन भगवान के प्लान आगे के क्या होते हैं ये कोई नहीं जानता है. आई एम ऑनेस्टली सेइंग दिस. Ashram came at a point in my life where Ashram after Damage 2 I got no work for some reason. On OTT it was my debut and Ashram was my only hope कि लोग मुझे देखेंगे कि नहीं, काम देंगे कि नहीं देंगे. And with Ashram I think my entire touchwood graph has changed now. You know, people have finally become receptive towards my work, and I'm very thankful to them that they're offering me work, and I've signed some good stuff. And I'm very glad to just be working. You know, ये stardom, actor, superstar. Because मैंने अपने जिंदगी में कभी फेलियर सीरियसली नहीं लिया और मैं सक्सेस को भी सीरियसली लेना नहीं चाहता लाइफ में. I just want to be a working person, and that is, I think, very, very important.
So I'm going to ask you a very cliche question. I'm sure you're fed up of answering this question, but I'm still going to ask you for the Instagrammers here. When did you decide कि हाँ मुझे भी acting करनी है, मुझे भी I want to be an actor? Like I'm sure seeing your father, the whole thing must always be there. But at what point in your life did you decide that, and how did you take forward the whole thing towards Khalidil? We have lost, and internet has not supported us. This is not fair. I shall send him a request again. Uh, Okay, he's not here. So as he joins us, we'll send him a request again. I agree with you, Deepak Kala official. Ashram is really very nice with Bobby Deol and him. And yes, it's doing very well. And people who've not watched Ashram, please go ahead and watch Ashram today after our live. It's a beautiful show and a really well-made show. Yes, Manju.Patel 37. I'm sure he doesn't want to work in Bahubala, Saas Bahubala serial. That's why he's been saying no to TV. Like he said, his channel is AS on YouTube. And Garima Sukla, I am trying to call him and he's here. I'm sending him a request again. Singaricha, hello. महफूज शेख ठीक है हम हिंदी में बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं. Hello, welcome back.
Welcome.
So, like I said, I'm going to ask you the cliche question, and I hope you heard the question, or do you want me to repeat it?
नो मैं एक्टिंग की शुरुआत कैसे हुई आई थिंक देखिए एक्टिंग मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे खून में है आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट देयर माय डीएनए और मैंने पढ़ाई की है मैं लंदन गया था तो मैंने लंदन में थिएटर किया उसके बाद मैं लंदन में उसके बाद आई वेंट टू न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म एकेडमी एंड आई वाज अ वेरी फैट किड इन स्कूल सो आई सेड कि भाई ये मुझसे एक्टिंग नहीं होने वाली मुझसे वेट तो लूज नहीं होगा मैं एक काम करता हूँ मैं डायरेक्शन ही कर लेता हूँ
अच्छा
गोइंग टू द न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म एकेडमी और न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म एकेडमी के बाद आई केम बैक एंड मैं न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म एकेडमी माय एंटायर लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म विद जस्ट वन स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंड इन न्यूयॉर्क इन स्कूल कैन यू हियर मी
Yeah, I can hear you. Statement transpired from a friend. That's well. I can see you. Can you hear me? फिर इंटरनेट भी बड़ा कमाल का है जब जब अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछ लो अजीब से गायब हो जाता है सीरियसली आई विश इंटरनेट वाज अ पर्सन whom I could talk to that what is your problem in life 10 o'clock be you're troubling me this is really not done so while we just wait for him to come back and join us hello Dimple hello and yeah I don't know what is with internet there is some issue but let's wait. I hope his internet supports us now and replies to our questions. Jagdish Narwani, I am good. How are you? And hello. I am saying, and there you are again. So we lost you when you said that your friend said a statement which transpired and then we lost you.
Yeah, so my friend told me जब मैं स्कूल में था तो उसने she was an American. She said कि why are you directing here? You seem like a great actor here because I was directing the scene for her and telling her how to do it. She said why aren't you looking at an option for being an actor? So I said I'm too overweight, you know, for me to be an actor. And it was that day और आज का दिन है where I lost 50 kgs. I came back and did my thing and you know कभी-कभी एक सिर्फ एक इंसान की कोई एक बात छू जाती है दिल पे आपके and that changes your life forever. So I think that sort of changed a lot of things for me. And that is how it happened. I came back. I got my. It's actually a very sad day today because मेरे पहले film के director passed away today. Anil Devgan died today. He was the director of my first film called Hale Dil. I'm very sad. God bless his soul. So I got my first film where I was noticed by Ajay Devgan. He saw me and he told his team Kumar Mangat was making a film and that's how I got my first film. So that is how the journey began and it's not been a smooth ride since then, but it's been a fun one. किसी की भी जिंदगी किसी की जर्नी जो है वो आसान नहीं होती उसमें बम्स और प्रॉब्लम्स और तकलीफें तो होती हैं and that's a learning process so I think it's been and I started off very early I started my career when I was only 19-20 so I was one of the
that's
first
like
actors to start my career you know
so now I'm going to ask you some fun questions and you don't have time to think okay because अब तो बहुत serious बातें हो गई cliche question भी हो गया so now time for just some fun for Instagrammers right here So all your movies say, I want your one favorite song. Please don't tell me कि सब गाने अच्छे हैं and all of that. वो promotion के time पे आपने बोल दिया है. Now just one song from Hale Dil that you really like.
One song from Hale Dil has to be Jeeta Hoon. The song that was by Sonu Nigam.
Can you sing two lines for us? See, before you leave the chat, we are going to tell you to sing. अभी बता रहे हैं.
you before I leave the chat. I'll sing Sonyo for everybody, na, before I leave.
That so anyways was made to happen. अच्छा ठीक है डन. राज से फेवरेट सॉन्ग.
It has to be Sonyo, na. Sonyo तो मेरी जिंदगी में पीछे कभी छोड़ने वाला नहीं है. It is everybody's favorite song.
But it is actually a favorite song. Yeah, it's been so many years and it plays on my loop no matter what. The lyrics, the song is that great.
It is a great song. It is a great song. I think Raju Singh composed the song and he did a great job with the song, man.
Justin.
Jashan has to be Nazare Karam and Ayare for sure.
And in Justin, you were also critically acclaimed. How did it feel at that point, you know, when the critics appreciated your work?
I think it felt nice, but then it felt bad because 15 of my films were shut down after that. For what reasons? Reasons unknown to me. But my films were taken away from me after Jashan did not do well at the box office. So, you know, if you look at it at one side, Jashan एक बहुत ही close film थी मेरे करीब थी मेरे दिल की, और एक ऐसी film थी which I felt would change my career graph after Raj 2, because it was my solo film directed by Mahesh Bhatt. But that didn't happen, you know, so which is fine, because now when people look back at Jashan, they're like, sir, that film really inspires us. You know, they look back. Sometimes वो काम तब appreciate नहीं करते लोग, but वापस जाते हैं जब लोग आपके काम देखते हैं, so they start liking your work. So with Jashan, after 2, 3, 4 years of the release, people started loving the film. So I guess nothing was lost there. Till people saw the film and liked the film, I'm very happy.
Heartless.
Heartless में तो definitely my song has to be मैं ढूंढने को ज़माने में. I think it's one of the most Arijit's biggest songs, and I think it's one of the most loved breakup songs out there. For all of us who have had our hearts broken, that song is for all of us.
I think everyone has had one time at least a broken heart in life. Like there is, I'm sure, not a single person who's not had a broken heart, and that's why everyone relates to a broken heart song and is appreciated always. And that's what happened with the Heartless song. And again, his internet has not supported us. मतलब हमारा एक segment खत्म होता है और इंटरनेट अपने आप ही ब्रेक पे चला जाता है. अगर मुझे पहले पता होता तो I would have just advertised during the breaks ना. At least ये सिंधी कुछ पैसे बना लेती commercials में. But let's again wait. And Rahul Gupta, hi miss, hello to you too. Sulva Lesa, hello. Gautam Vigda, hello. Let's see if he's back so that we can send him a request. And hey Mustafa. And we can send him a request, but he's not yet here, so let's wait for him to come back. Anika_Roy16, hello. Amonina Momin. ठीक है, हम हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश पक्का करेंगे. वैसे हम शुरू हिंदी में करते हैं, फिर वो बीच बीच में इंग्लिश आ जाता है. But yes, I shall take more effort. And he's back on the live. So let's send him a request. And let's start our next question. That. Raghavendra Rathore 5. I'm sorry I can't add you because right now our guest today is Adhyan Saman and there's nobody else who can be added on this live chat. But thanks for asking. And I'm waiting. Please connect, Oja. Please connect, Oja. I think, you know, between these breaks, I have to always ask for please connect, Oja. Please connect, Oja. Vineet Singh, कोशिश जरूर करेंगे. Real_Lover 556, hello. IK Irfan K, hello. Neeraj, bye. And okay, while he joins us, you all can tell us what are your favorite songs of him, and you're all excited for him to sing Sonyo before we end the live chat. Chalo, batao. And he cannot connect. Saru_Elu, you look like a Barbie doll. Thank you. Raghavendra Rathore 5, you're so cute. Thank you so much for the compliment. And I am sending a request again to him, and we're waiting. Vineet Singh, where are you? He is connecting. We're just waiting for his internet to support so that he can connect. And welcome back. Take 4.
कोविड मारे ना मारे, ये इसकी नेगेटिविटी मार देगी हमें इंटरनेट के.
ये हमें पेशेंस सिखाता है. That is for sure. After all my live chats, number of live chats I've had ना, I'm like, मतलब कोई भी टाइम चूज कर लो, इंटरनेट डिसाइड करता है कितना टाइम लाइव चलेगा और कब आप जवाब दोगे.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, so a quick this or that section. Action movie or adventure movie?
Action film.
Favorite action movie?
Fast and the Furious or Mission Impossible.
रोमांटिक रोमांटिक मूवी में ड्रामा की रोम कॉम?
You are stuck and you're gone again. Damn it.
हे राम, I think after Ashram we
Can you
should
see me now?
make a movie called Hey Ram.
Give me your
Yeah, you
Instagram.
have frozen winking to the Instagrammers.
Can you see me now?
Now I can see you. Romantic drama or rom-com?
Drama.
Favorite romantic movies की लिस्ट बताओ.
Favorite romantic film? I think P.S. I Love You. Uh, I think कौन सी फिल्म है नाम भूल रहा हूँ. Titanic. Titanic is everybody's favorite romantic film, and it has to be Titanic and P.S. I Love You and Before Sunrise After Sunset, the Tri series. I love them. I love those films.
If you had to be a part of a romantic classic, which one would it be?
Which is that film with Julia Roberts where she plays a hooker and with that guy?
Pretty Woman.
Pretty Woman. Has to be that film, man. I love that film.
Historical or science fiction?
Uh, Very tough question, man. I think both because I love science fiction. I love historical films as well. Like I would love to be a part of Lagan. You know the kind of films that I love Lagan. I love period films. I love the way Bansali sir shoots his films. So period films for sure.
Superheroes or supernatural power?
Superhero films. I'm a huge fan of Batman. He's a little more real. You know, he doesn't have those powers, but he seems strong and he does his thing. So it has to be Batman for me forever.
If you had to possess a superpower, which one would it be?
If I had to possess a superpower, what would it be? I think to be able to, if I make a mistake, I want the power to go back again and fix it.
आई एम श्योर ये सुपर पावर अब सबको चाहिए होगा. जितने इंस्टाग्राम पीपल यहाँ पे ना सब कह रहे होंगे अगर आपको मिल जाए तो हमें भी दे दो.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैं I love to say it.
थ्रिलर हॉरर?
I don't like horror films or thriller films.
रियलिटी टीवी और गेम शो?
Game shows. I'm not fond of reality TV.
If
Too
you had
much
to be a
toxicity.
part, if you had to be a part of a game show, which one would it be?
If I had to be a part of,
A game show, which one would it be?
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? Because that will make me a करोड़पति.
Very smart. Comedy, romance, or comedy action? Since
Comedy
you've liked
action. I think
action and you said,
I think comedy action because I also like Rush Hour and I like the Chris Tucker and thingy series. Now what's his name? What's his name from Rush Hour? Chris Tucker और कौन है उसमें? Jackie Chan.
मुझे नहीं पता.
हाँ Jackie Chan, Jackie Chan.
When you go to the theater, popcorn or samosa?
Salsa with nachos.
अरे totally third option.
हाँ salsa with nachos and cheese.
Okay, now it's time for our Instagrammers. अगर आप गाना गा दीजिए तो before we again lose you on this internet.
नहीं, जाने से पहले एक सोनियो गाना गा दिए उनके लिए. Baby, come stand by my side. Come and be my guiding light. Oh, I'll be what you want me to be. I'll give her my love in all of my life. Sonia, oh Sonia, तू तुम्हें देखता हूँ तो सोचता हूँ मैं बस यही, तुम जो मेरा साथ दो, सारे हम भुला के जी लो मुस्कुरा के ये जिंदगी, तू दे दे मेरा साथ थामने हाथ, चाहे जो भी हो बात, तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ. There you go, man.
Thank you so much. This really made our chitter chatter more fun and amazing.
So,
So
absolutely.
thank you, Adyan, for being a part of this chitter chatter.
Thank
अरे
you,
पहले
Papa.
पता
Thank you,
था
and
हम
I
आपसे
hope
बहुत
that
ज्यादा गवा लेते.
maybe next time we'll definitely have a chat again where we'll just sing. Me and you will both sing together.
I can't sing. I will just keep saying the comments. I swear, if I sing, जो लोग यहाँ पे है ना, they'll be just saying, "Ma'am, please let him sing. Ma'am, please let him sing." So I'm not gonna sing. I'm just gonna be like enjoying and grooving, and we can have a jamming session where you sing only.
I will sing. Done. I've had a wonderful time chatting with you, Shweta. Thank you so much for having me on your Instagram show, man.
Thank you. All the best for your future projects, and see you soon.
Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.